Hello, everybody. It's Kylie, Enoch's mom, and I'm back to continue telling his story. Thank you for listening, for watching, and for sharing. Thank you for every heart, for every thought, and for every prayer. When I left off last, Enoch had just received the port under his skin in order to start photopheresis. Photopheresis is a non-surgical treatment for graft versus host disease. And during that treatment, the white blood cells and the T cells are destroyed by being exposed to a photosynthesizing drug and ultraviolet light. He started that treatment in the month of June, I believe, and he did that for 2 months, for about 8 weeks. And at the end of that treatment, it was determined that Enoch needed to continue that treatment, but his port ended up getting infected. And when the port got infected, his blood also got infected. So he had to be admitted in the hospital. The port had to be removed, and he had to be treated for that infection. And we were in there for 2 to 3 weeks, the month of September, and we were released. During those months that Enoch did receive photopheresis, we did see improvement. There was improvement in all of his levels, his skin, everything was looking better. So we were released out of the hospital in September. And at that time, he was doing so good that we went down to seeing the doctors only once a week, which was such a blessing because for the last couple of years, we were in and out of the hospitals and ERs because of pain and the bone marrow transplant and all the follow-up treatment. So going once a week was such a blessing. But in the month of November, the medication he was on had to start being weaned. And he also had to start getting his vaccinations again, because once you receive the bone marrow transplant, all of your immunizations, your immune system's wiped clean. So he had to receive all those immunizations again. And so we started the immunizations again, and the medication started to be weaned. That was the beginning of November. May have been the last week in October, beginning of November. Either way, the month of November, we started our last admission. And I'm going to continue that story when I come back. But thank you again for listening. See y'all next time.